Welcome to 5 bizarre historical festivals that still amaze, where history gets weird. Around 200 BCE, ancient Rome kicks off Saturnalia, a week-long December bash honoring the god Saturn. For 7 days, roles reverse. Slaves feast while masters serve, laws loosen, and everyone dons colorful togas. Homes glow with candles and shouts of Io Saturnalia echo through the streets. This chaotic joy fest influences modern Christmas with its gift-giving and New Year's with its revelry. Did Saturnalia prove chaos can unite us, or just that Romans loved a good party? Share your festive thoughts below. Next time, medieval Europe mocks the church with chaos.
13th century, medieval Europe. The Festival of Fools erupts around New Year's, turning churches into playgrounds of mischief. For a day, clergy and peasants swap roles. Mock priests lead blasphemous parades, wearing costumes and donkey ears, while crowds feast, sing and dance in the pews. The church bans it by 1431, but the spirit lives on in modern carnivals and April Fool's Day. In France, it's called Fête des Fous, a chaotic celebration of satire and freedom. This wild festival shocked the pious. Did it prove laughter can defy rules? Or just give chaos a holy stage? Share your thoughts below. Next time, India explodes with colour for spring.
In ancient India around 300 CE, a vibrant festival bursts forth each spring.
Holi celebrates love and renewal, igniting joy in every heart.
Rooted in the playful romance of Radha and Krishna, the spirit of the festival comes alive.
Villagers dance and sing, drenching each other in laughter and color. Holi transcends caste, uniting everyone in a colorful embrace.
Despite colonial bans, the tradition endures, showcasing resilience.
Holi's colorful chaos proves joy can break barriers. Or is it just a glorious mess? Share your brightest thoughts below. Next time, cheese rolls down a hill in England.
In the 15th century, a quirky tradition begins in Gloucestershire, England. Villagers gather, ready to chase a 7-pound wheel of double Gloucester cheese. As the cheese rolls, chaos erupts down the muddy slope. Injuries are common, but laughter fills the air. This tradition, linked to spring fertility rites, has survived through the ages. Despite bans, it evolved into a global spectacle. Did this rolling madness prove courage, or just a love for cheesy fun? Share your wildest chase stories below. Next time, we'll explore Mexico's vibrant celebration of the dead.
Have you ever wondered how ancient cultures celebrate life and death? In Mexico, the Day of the Dead honors departed souls with colorful traditions. Rooted in Aztec beliefs, this celebration blends with Catholic customs after the Spanish conquest. November 1st and 2nd become a vibrant fiesta for families. Spirits are believed to return to feast on the offerings. Today, it's a UNESCO treasure celebrated worldwide. Face painting and parades inspire global events. This colorful ritual asks if death can unite us, or does it simply celebrate life's cycle? Share your thoughts below. That's the last bizarre festival.
Thanks for watching 5 bizarre historical festivals that still amaze on Short Bites of History. We make history fun by serving it in small bites on YouTube Shorts. Videos are created with the help of AI using VidAI. A link to VidAI will be pinned in the comments section. The video popping up now is something YouTube thinks you will like. You know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.